Need to examine an L01 forensic evidence file? This is the primary segment of an EnCase logical evidence file used in digital forensics. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these EnCase evidence files for forensic analysis. I call this the last resort solution for those L01 files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. L01 Files are logical evidence files created by EnCase forensic software, representing the first or primary segment of a forensic disk image acquisition. They contain captured data from target media with integrated cryptographic hashes, case metadata, and chain of custody information supporting court-admissible digital forensic investigations. EnCase L01 files use the logical evidence file format with proprietary compression evidence data verification hashes and case-specific metadata. The format includes acquisition parameters, MD5 SHA-1 verification examiner notes, and references to additional segment files following guidance software specifications for forensic evidence preservation. The default, recognized opener for L01 files is known to be EnCase Forensic from OpenText. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows supports only limited interaction with disk images, so complete access requires dedicated software. Your first step in the technical sequence, right-click the L01 file and choose Open With. Use EnCase Forensic as your first test case. If it fails, choose another program immediately. If you still can't open the L01 file, it's okay. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, loading an EnCase. Launch EnCase Forensic and create or open a case. Use Add Evidence, then select the L01 file. EnCase loads the evidence automatically, including any related segments, like L02, L03, reconstructing the complete logical evidence container. The case displays evidence contents for analysis with full forensic capabilities preserved. Next, examining with FTK Imager. Use FTK Imager from Xtero Access Data to open L01 files for forensic examination. Add the evidence file to FTK Imager, which provides directory browsing file extraction and content viewing capabilities. FTK Imager is freely available, offering forensic-grade access without requiring an EnCase license. Finally, mounting as drive. Use forensic mounting tools like Arsenal Image Mounter or OSF Mount to mount L01 evidence files as virtual read-only drives. The mounted volume appears in the operating system, enabling examination with standard tools while preserving the original evidence file integrity through write-protected access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.